Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how you can make an NFT collection on the Binance Smart Chain and actually make the whole collection and get it onto the Binance Smart Chain, not just one at a time like you have to do with most of these sites, marketplaces and stuff like that. And it's actually a place that I've talked about a bit so far. So let's just head over to it. So it's on launchmynft.io. If you've seen my videos before, you'll probably already know this place. Then connect your wallet to launchmynft. But yeah, let me just get into it. You have your wallet, hit that, connect it to the smart chain. There we go. Now you can see there's a BNB logo right here. Before there wasn't. And how to do this, if you don't already have it, then search up MetaMask Smart Chain, hit this academy.binance.com. Then when you're in here, follow these steps, the mainnet. So you can just see right here, this one, this says in Danish though, but and then you'll be able to do it just like this. Then when you have done that, you'll of course need to send some Binance, BNB. Don't have any, but I'm just gonna show you how to do this, of course. Then hit create, generate new collection. Then you need to sign in. There we go. Then the name of the contract, then the collection name, then the symbol name. So of course this is the really important one, the collection name that everyone will be able to see. It's called this cars, and then the contract name is displayed at the name of the collection contract on the smart chain. And then the symbol, that's what represents the collection on a blockchain. Then you can launch collection later, and whitelist, you can also add whitelist. Then you hit next. Then you'll have to drop in your folder, and this is a really important thing. So you'll need a folder that looks like this, input_images. It needs to say this. Then in here you'll choose yourself what assets that you need, like background, eyewear, facial hair, headwear, mouthpiece. Then when you have done all of that in folders, you'll need to make folders in these folders as well. Where it's common, legendary, rare, super _rare. And you need to do it just like I do it. And then in these folders you'll have your rares and your all of that stuff. Decide yourself what it's gonna be. But on Launcher NFT you'll decide the percentage of which one is gonna be the rare. So when you have all of that, drag in your input folder. And also one thing that I want to say, I'm pretty sure that every folder needs to be filled out. So for my background, I only had one background, but I just filled it in all of them. Then you want to drag in your input folder right here. Then it works, as you can see. Now I have my NFTs, and then we can preview my NFTs, and I can already see that something is wrong. You can see there's something, what is that? Something behind that. So we need to fix that. That's probably eyewear, because that's all the way down here. We need the head first, because the background is first, then the head. Now it already looks way better. In preview and see if this is what you like. I like this. But yeah, this looks great in my opinion. Or maybe we can take the headwear before eyewear as well. Yeah, we like that. Then we have the background right here. And of course for me, I had the same background, so I'm not gonna change any of this. In the head, then you'll be able to see the common, legendary, rare and super rare, as we did right before. Now you want to set the percentage of which one is going to be the rarest. So maybe I want legendary the rarest, so that's 5%. Then common I'm going to change to 35%. Then super rare I'm going to change that to 15%. So we're going to count this now. 20 plus 35, then there's 45 left. Doesn't really make any sense, that common and rare. So we're going to change this to 45 and this to 35. And that should make 100% because it needs to make 100%. So that's 50 and that's 50. So that's great. Then we go over to headwear, and you can do the same right there as well. And you will be able to do it for every single one. Then you'll decide how many you want to generate. You can decide what you want to generate. I've not tried over 10,000 to generate. I've only tried this for videos, of course, as well. But you decide yourself. That there's no one that says what to do. Then the name is really important as well. So this is the sorties from OpenSea that was a long time ago that I made for these videos, that I made ready for this video. I actually made it for Solana collection, as you can see the background, but I should have probably made something for Binance now when I think about it. But now I have Solana background again. But then we're gonna call it maybe the BNB sorties. And then the hashtag, like you saw in the beginning, like let's just look at this. This is hashtag. It doesn't mean you need to type in 1 for it to start. You just have to type in hashtag. Then you'll also be able to set the mint cost. I'm just gonna say 2 Binance, that's a lot still. Then mints per wallet, then you could say how many of your followers or the people that wants to buy into your collection. You can say right here how many they're able to mint, so they can mint like 19, or they can only mint 1 per wallet. Then we have the royalties, and you'll be able to set this what you like. Most commonly is like 2.5% or 5%. Then JPEG and PNG. You can see right here the preferred output images type. For GIF, choose either. So actually you can also do GIF NFTs right here, but that doesn't look like there's an option, but just choose either of them. Then you'll have the description of the collection. You should probably do more collection, but I'm just gonna do this as a test. Looks great. Include rarity, yeah, of course. I'm actually gonna do 100 because now I'm gonna generate the collection. And on how fast the computer is, that's really the only thing. And this is totally free to generate your Binance collection right now. So we just want to hit generate, and then I just close this. I don't know why it says that I need to do that, but to choose a folder, because in the start of this website I didn't have to do that, but maybe it's just so you choose yourself, but I don't do that at all, so I just hit the close sign. Then you have a zip file right here. You can open that, hit that, and then you'll have all your images right here from the collection. So for some reason my computer is like mistaken something, but I just have to open them. For some reason it doesn't show for my computer. There's something about the PNGs from my computer, it's really weird. Then you can shuffle the mint order and in order. So when the mint in order, that's of course that start at 1, then the next that mints gets number 2, next that mints get number 3, next 4, and then you can shuffle, so it's just random every single NFT that get minted. So maybe shuffled. Then you want to drag and drop your assets right here. What we first do is hit this one right here and then unfold the folder. Then we have a normal folder right here and we just drag it in to that. Now you can see the whole collection that I have minted right before or generated. Then we're gonna continue, and then we wanna pay the fees. I'm not gonna do this because I of course have no Binance on this account, but I'll just be able to show you what the fees are right now. Oh, now it's uploaded. Deployed to blockchain, I mean. And there you'll be able to see the fees, 0.006 BNB to get this on the blockchain. Then we're gonna see the price of it, and that's $1.64 to deploy a Binance collection with 100 NFTs. Normally, when you do this on sites, it actually costs like $5, $4, $3, but this is a whole collection for $1.64. That's really cheap. But yeah, that's it for this video. If I help you, please leave a like and maybe subscribe. But thanks for watching. Have a good day.